Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on these lines to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Languages. This section is dedicated to managing all language preferences for your browser, including the interface language and how websites are displayed. Now you'll see a section labeled Websites in your languages. Right beside it, you'll notice an option that says Add Languages. Click on this to open up a new window where you can browse and select additional languages. This feature allows you to expand your language options beyond the default ones that come with Brave. In the new window that appears, you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through this list and find the language you want to use. Once you've found your preferred language, select it by checking the box beside it. Whether it's Spanish, French, German, or any other language, just make sure you check the correct box. After selecting your desired language, click the Add button. This will add the language to your Brave browser, making it available for use in the interface. You should see the language appear in your list of installed languages. Next, navigate to the language you just added. Right beside it, you'll see three dotted lines. Click on these dots to reveal additional options for that specific language. This is where you can configure how Brave uses this language. From the options that appear, check the box beside Display Brave in this language. This setting tells Brave that you want the entire browser interface to be displayed in your newly selected language. It's the key step that actually changes the language throughout the browser. Finally, click Relaunch. Brave will need to restart for the language change to take effect, so make sure you've saved any important work or tabs before proceeding. Once Brave restarts, the entire interface will be displayed in your newly selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Brave browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.